Hello again. Welcome to session 3 of first unit of psychology, modern perspective of psychology, behavioral and cognitive perspective. Learning objectives: to understand the behavioral and cognitive approach in understanding the behavior. Session outcome: students learnt about the observable behavior and operant conditioning, role of memory, intelligence, perception in study of behavior. The behavioral perspective: the approach that suggests that observable, measurable behavior should be the focus of study. The observable behavior can be measured objectively. J.B. Watson was the first major American psychologist to propose a behavioral approach. Watson is of the opinion that one could gain a complete understanding of behavior by studying and modifying the environment in which people operate. Watson believed that it was possible to elicit any desired type of behavior by controlling a person's environment. B.F. Skinner pioneered in this field. Skinner developed a theory called operant conditioning to explain how voluntary behavior is learned. According to his theory, behavioral responses that are followed by pleasurable consequences are strengthened or reinforced. The cognitive perspective: it is a modern perspective that focuses on memory, intelligence, perception, problem solving, and learning. The emphasis is on learning how people comprehend and represent the world outside, within themselves, and how our ways of thinking about the world influence our behavior. Many psychologists who adhere to the cognitive perspective compare human thinking to the workings of a computer. As the computer takes in information and transforms, stores, and retrieves it, the human brain too takes in the information, processes the information, stores, and retrieves it as and when required. In view of cognitive perspective, thinking is information processing. The common elements that link cognitive approaches are an emphasis on how people understand and think about the world and an interest in describing the patterns and irregularities in the operation of our minds. Session summary: behavioristic approach suggests that observable behavior should be the focus of study. Cognitive perspective is a modern perspective that focuses on memory, intelligence, perception, problem solving, and learning. Thank you. Hello again. Welcome to session 3 of first unit of psychology, modern perspective of psychology, behavioral and cognitive perspective. Learning objectives.